Hello, lovies. Welcome to my kitchen with the lazy makoti. So I hope that you're gonna love what I'm gonna make for you today. So let's get whisking. I have my sugar, I have my flour, my eggs, my custard powder, baking powder, salt, vanilla essence, and my Rama margarine. You know, guys, it wasn't even my intention to do a baking video in the first place. This was supposed to be a makeup tutorial video, but because the video that I shot, it did not impress me at all, and I said, you know what, let me take my makeup into good use now. I'm gonna go to the kitchen and just make magic, make things happen. So otherwise my margarine would have been at room temperature, not that ice cold margarine that you see there. So I'm gonna cut my Rama in half, since well I need the 500 gram, not the 1 kg that I have. I noticed that I left out hundreds and thousands, decorations, and also chocolate I wanted to use, but I'll do better next time. You can definitely see how cold my Rama was, so I had to be careful of the knife. No, I'm such a clean freak. When I'm doing something in the kitchen, I just clean as I go. So I took my Rama in the microwave for about a minute or two so that it can be at room temperature. And I couldn't find a bowl. I just wanted a bowl to put the Rama in, but I couldn't find one. So I had to use a plastic plate. And there goes in my custard powder. We don't leave anything behind. You just scrape that thing off up until it gets all in the bowl. There goes in my baking powder. One thing I know about baking is that every cup of flour you put, you need to put 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm not a baker, but those are the basic things of baking. You need to know them. Okay, now all my dry ingredients are done as I move on to the wet ingredients. And now my ram is out in the microwave. So as I start on mixing combining my wet ingredients. So I'm leaving a little bit of margarine on my plate so I can grease my pans with it. Yo guys, can you please buy me a hand mixer or a stand mixer? One of the two will do, because the exercise that I took while whisking these ingredients. You guys, plus my apron is written in lazy makoti, so please, can I understand the assignment? Can I please abide by my apron, the lazy makoti, and not work this hard? I'm a soft life person, so even though I don't live that way, but I don't want too much work. I don't want to work hard, I want to work soft. My whisk could no longer understand the assignment, so I had to get in with my hands now. So for hygiene purposes, I've washed my hands many times doing this video. So guys, you need to get in that flour. If only I had a hand mixer or a stand mixer, then it would have done the job perfectly. As we check the consistency of the flour, it's soft. That's a biscuit dough. It's supposed to be soft. So now you gotta let it rest for about 5 minutes so it can harden. Since now it's soft, since I've been busy with it. So you need to let it rest and then you can continue. Have I mentioned that I'm a woman of many talents? If I haven't done so, as I dust my flour on the countertop now so that my dough won't stick to the surface. And another thing, please buy me a rolling pin. I cannot have it using this glass. You just have to pick up the shapes lightly and gently, otherwise they will break. Another thing about cutting the biscuit dough is that you can change the level of thickness on how you want it. But because I like my biscuits a little bit thicker, then that's how I do mine. So you can change it and make them thinner so that they can be more crunchier if you want them that way. But I love mine in this way, a little bit thick, but they're still crunchy. So that's the second pan going in, the third pan of hearts, and the last pan, you'll see it at the end. Now that's the second pan coming out. As you can see, they're looking so beautiful and so scrumptious. You can see like in the middle, that's so well baked. They look like you just wanna just get in there, taste it. They are so delicious. You gotta make one for yourself. My camera couldn't even focus. I tried for it to focus so that you can see all that scrumptious in the middle. Now there's the pan of hearts coming out. This is my last pan, and there are those mini hearts in between it. They look so yum. Thank you for watching my video. So this is how you make custard biscuits. So I hope you make one for yourself, especially for Christmas. They are so delicious, trust me on that one. So thank you for watching, and I love you all, guys.